Microwaves. Microwaves are defined as electromagnetic radiations with a frequency ranging between 300 MHz to 300 GHz, while the wavelength ranges from 1 mm to around 30 cm. The microwave radiation is commonly referred to as microwaves. They fall between the infrared radiation and radio waves in the electromagnetic spectrum. A few of the properties of microwaves are as follows. Metal surfaces reflect microwaves. Microwaves with a certain wavelength pass through the Earth's atmosphere and can be useful in transmitting information to and from satellites in orbit. Hence, the satellite dishes are made of metal as they reflect microwaves well. Microwaves of certain frequencies are absorbed by water. This property of microwaves is useful in cooking. Water in the food absorbs microwaves, which causes the water to heat up, therefore cooking the food. Microwave transmission is affected by wave effects such as refraction, reflection, interference, and diffraction. Microwaves can pass through glass and plastic. This is the reason why we use a plastic or glass container in a microwave oven and not metal containers, as metal reflects microwaves. Microwaves are electromagnetic waves with wavelengths longer than those of terahertz (THz) wavelengths, but relatively short for radio waves. Microwaves have wavelengths approximately in the range of 30 cm, frequency equals 1 GHz, to 1 mm, 300 GHz. Microwaves are used for cooking, mobile phone communication, satellite television, astronomy, finding out about the origin of the universe. Applications of microwaves. The uses of the microwave are similar to that of radio waves. They are used in communications, radio astronomy, remote sensing, radar, and of course, owing to their heating application, they are used in cooking as well. Why do mobile phones use microwaves? Because microwaves can even be generated with the help of small antennas, so the mobile phones need not be of large size. Microwaves and cell phones. Cell phone signals are carried through the air as microwaves. The sound of the caller is encoded in microwaves by changing the frequency of the waves. This is called frequency modulation. The encoded microwaves are sent to the cell tower through the air. From the cell tower, the waves travel to a switching center. From there, they go to another cell tower, and from the tower to the receiver of the person being called. The receiver changes the encoded microwaves back to sound. Microwaves can be interrupted by buildings and other obstructions, so cell towers must be placed high above the ground to prevent the interruption of cell phone signals. Microwaves and radar. Radar stands for radio detection and ranging. Police use radar guns to detect overspeeding vehicles. A radar gun sends a short burst of microwaves. Microwaves reflect from the oncoming vehicle and are detected by the receiver in the radar gun. The speed of the vehicle is computed from the speed of the vehicles. Radar is used in TRA. Microwaves can cause internal heating of body tissue. Microwave ovens contain metal shielding to prevent the microwaves from leaking out. Some people believe that the use of mobile phones can lead to brain damage.